Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Psycho, and if you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Make sure to smash that like button if you find any kind of value. Make sure to subscribe to because on this channel we do a lot of videos like this every single day or on daily basis, and make sure to turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss any. And let's just keep it as simple, short, and beginner friendly as possible as always. So, as you can see right here, ladies and gentlemen, we have Tezos with the USDT or XTZ with the USDT or the Tether token, the stable coin. Basically, Tezos right now is sitting at price of around $3.16. Today we are down 31 cents, and that's approximately 9.03% to the downside at the moment. We are on the daily chart, and as you can see, yesterday we were again down. We were down 9%, which is approximately the same as now. The body of the candle is pretty much the same, but yeah. Overall, we surpassed this lower high. We surpassed it with our yesterday's candle, but we did not surpass this, the lower high. We did not surpass that. It was at the crosshair. But yeah, like, it is what it is. And basically, everything that's down below right here is basically the buy zone. You can buy it right now if you want to be in the trend. But this is always on your, I'm not here to judge if my prediction is wrong, because I'm not giving you a financial advice, and also I'm not here to tell you where to get in and where to get out. It is always up to you, and my only advice is you do your own research and don't put all your money on that dip or at the price that you want to buy. Put like 1/3, maybe even 1/4, even 1/5 of your capital on that dip. So if it continues the dip, you get profitable and you average your way in. So yeah, that's basically for today's update. I think that if we surpass these lows, we are gonna be just slowly pushing to the downside, and we may touch the $2.40 line right here, support. But I don't think that we are gonna be surpassing this. So make sure you don't miss on this opportunity again. If you want to watch more videos and updates about Tezos, go and subscribe. If you want to support my channel, all I want is for you guys to just smash that like button. It is basically free, and I know that you already know that, and it means a lot to me, okay? And if you want to learn some free stuff, even go into the links in the description down below, and I will be seeing you guys soon. Peace out.